Welcome, guys. This is a Comet network mining. It's an airdrop. Okay, I will keep bringing potential, airdrop mining to my audience, because if you cash out big time, it gives me joy. If I cash out, we cash out together. So if this is your first time of coming to this channel, I will advise you to do what? To stay with us, subscribe, like, comment, and share. It is our duty, responsibility to be bringing to our audience potential tokens that will fetch us huge amount of USDT. Let me tell you guys, if you are serious in mining, as far as you have a smartphone, just fun with me. Before few months from now, we are going to cash out big time. This is one of the airdrop. If you have been waiting, all right, it's not a new project. Okay, so let me take you around the app and show you some goodies, some Google things about this project that you have not yet discovered. Okay, let's proceed. This is a Crypto Authority TV. All right, let's move. This project, you come to mine it every 24 hours. Follow me. Every 24 hours, you come and activate the mining. Okay, you click here, it will start mining. Okay, I've just done mine now. Now, don't forget to always come to collect your reward. Say collect reward 3 times. Are you getting it? You always come here, click on this place. There's an ad for you to watch and get more of this token. See my own here, 3,641 pieces of this Comet network mining. Are you getting it? Good. You get your referral link from here. Share it to your friends, your community members if you have community. Okay, let's proceed. Very soon the contract address, okay, will be coming out, will be released. Are you getting it? Let's click on this load more and see what is there. Click on it. Okay, they say this is 2023, reach 100k users as at 2023. I told guys that this is not a new project, but the project is going to be hot. Now they have reached 100, they have reached 30,000 users. They reached 30,000 users at 2022. They want us to know that this project will be coming, will be listing on Bybit exchange, also being a centralized exchange, and it also be coming on, I think very soon we'll be linking to our MetaMask Trust Wallet and the rest of it, but those things are not active for now. Okay, let's check here. Okay, that 3,641 comments have been able to mine. This is what it was on USDT. This is the amount have been able to mine. This is it. It will be converted to USDT. That's the reason I said don't joke with it. Don't joke with Comet network airdrop mine. Okay, now very soon we'll start sending, we'll start receiving. You can stake and you can withdraw. Very soon this button will be activated. Are you getting it? All right, let's click on this image here. Look at the white paper. This is a white paper. Okay, you want to know more about the project, you click on this white paper and read for yourself. Okay, always this airdrop we are farming is good to always sit down, go through it, make a research, more research about a project. Okay, this is a project white paper. Okay, Comet network is a modern form of cryptocurrency and an influential crypto influential system that has an innovative ideas and the rest of it. Okay, when you come down, this is the introduction. Okay, you read read by yourself. I may not show you everything. Okay, you say it's a network, it's a new cryptocurrency. Read it down. Free money app that has an innovative ideas and aim to simplify user experience in the cryptocurrency economy. Do you hear that? Good. You go down, scroll down. This is the white paper. At time white paper can reach up to 10 pages. There's a Comet network vision. This is the problem they want to solve. They're about solving. You go through it, read it down, and understand the project very well. There's a payment. This payment, read it again. Okay, payment. They said the Comet network development team is working on building an easy to use wallet mobile app. Do you hear that? Integrated with Wallet Connect to ensure secure storage of keys and seamless mechanism to connect browser-based dApps to the mobile app. So these are their vision. He said the vision of Comet is to provide an interface for users and payment apps, and SDKs for dApps. Okay, dApps is a this in decentralized application. So you read it, go down, miner, go down, referrals, you'll be given reward for referring people, core team. Okay, roadmap details. Wow. Phase 1, project inception. Phase 2, check it. Phase 3, phase 4. Okay, these are the things you come down and read. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long. If you find this video helpful, subscribe, comment, like, and share to help your baby girl. See you in my next video. I love you guys. A happy weekend in advance.